In our last video, we created the train engine, and now let's make some train cars that will follow along behind it. So let's just select everything, press Shift D to duplicate X, and then slide this back behind the first one. Now we don't want the engine part, so let's go into edit mode and hover over each part you want to get rid of. So hover over the smokestack for me, and then hit delete vertices. I'm sorry, press L to select it. I didn't say that, I don't think. And once you have it selected, you can delete vertices, L to get rid of this, or select this, L to select this, and L to select that, and delete vertices. And that will leave just your base. So I'm going to switch back to object mode by hitting tab. I'm going to select this base and the wheels, and let's duplicate that with Shift D, X a couple of times. I'll just make 4. If you want to have more than 4, you can build more than that. So what I want you to do for these 4 is to make 4 different train cars. So for example, on this one, I can make maybe a passenger car. And to make your life easier, it would help if the things you add were added where you're working, not up here. So with this selected, press Shift S, cursor to selected, and now your cursor is on this object. So when I go Shift A cube, my cube is there on the train, making it a little bit more convenient to work. So I'm just going to scale that up like so. And then maybe I would switch to edit mode, and let's make a couple of row of windows. So I'm hitting Control R to add these loop cuts. So let me just do that from the beginning. So putting my mouse here on the edge, Control R, left click, place it, Control R, left click, place it. So this will give me a row. And let's hit Control R and roll this up until I have some sections. I don't know how many. And now I'm going to go to face select, which is this button, select every other one, and then extrude and push those in on this side, and I'll do the same thing on the other side, making some very simple little windows. So I want you to go through and make train cars for your train set. Once you have finished making your other cars, remember to select the parts you've created, select the base that you want them to be part of, press Control J to join. That way they are all attached together. So create, excuse me, create your train cars, and then I will upload the next video probably tomorrow.